Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, just open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and access Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Calendar. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Facebook and tap on one of those options. Allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I go back, as you can see, Facebook just gained access to this device's calendar. But you can always go back and this time select any feature and tap on an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my Messenger or Palm Store, wherever. Then click on See All Palm Store permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!